URIA wari MUCIRITHANIA MUNENE Dagitari Willy Mutunga umuthi ni ekorire haceke thutha wa kuhurwo na riera ria kuruta maithori ni maabitha a borithi CECENI-INI ya Central GUKU NAIROBI. Mutunga ari hamwe na ATETERI enge IHOTO cia UMUNDU megwikinyitie CECENI-INI yo guthingiriria rurungani aria maraikirio ngono muthenya wa ira hindi ya mirurungano ya azimio GUKU NAIROBI MAREKERERIO. Makiaria na andikia mohoro thutha wa ngui icio kuhorera ATETERI aya maugite nikia kuona miaka 60 kuma riria bururi wa Kenya wagire wiyathi a Kenya no marathie na mbere kuimwa ihoto ciao iria igathikitwo ni gatiba.
Our people were arrested, 75 in number. They were brought here at Central Police Station, and since yesterday we have been trying to have them released unconditionally. Their claim is that they want to charge them for unlawful assembly, assault, and what they are calling destruction of property. From our side, we are extremely disappointed by this action of police.
Riu ni meranĩire gũthing'ĩrĩria nginyagia rũrũngani acio marekererio gũkũ makiranĩra nĩ megũthitanga rũhonge rwa borithi kuona mwao nĩ magurarire hĩndĩ ya ngahiha icio.
This situation cannot be tolerated because the kind of situation right now of repression is a situation where this government has decided to shrink the civic space for the people of Kenya, and Mandamano is the only way to go because there is no any other space right now for dealing with matters of public interest. And the main agenda for yesterday was to push for removal of the finance bill, which we are completely opposed to, and also protesting against the high cost of living.
Hamwe na aria mauma na Mutunga ni Boniface Mwangi uria wiitikire rurenda-ini rwake rwa Twitter gukumithia giko kiu akiuga riu bururi uri rungu rwa koigi uteragwo. O kahinda-ini kau murugamiriri umwe wa wodi wa guthukio kaunti-ini ya Kakamega arahonia nguraro thibitari-ini wa St Mary's Mumias thutha wa gutungio ndodio ni borithi muthenya wa ira.
Ninaweza kumbuka niliona tu tear gas ndani ya gari wakati nilitoka. Nilikutana tu na viboko na miini.
Evelyn Shitadi augite borithi ni marahũthĩrire hinya mukiruku kuharagania arũrũngania thayo.
Special men mwanamke unanipiga aje na rungu. Ukanivunjia hata gari. Sasa tunashindwa serikali ni ya kutulinda ama ni ya kutumaliza. Kama wanaweza piga mimi kama mheshimiwa, je, wananchi wa kawaida watamfanyaje? Mirurungano eno iracungirire hathara ya mamilioni ma mbeca thutha wa ahũri biacara kuhinga matuka mao uthukangia wa indo na nguraro borithi making'ethanĩra na arũrũngani na kurekwirwo andũ erĩ nĩ marakuire kumana na nguraro iria maratungirio nĩ borithi taũni-inĩ ya Kisumu.